Dear human rights organization, please do not ignore this video, because the person who is screaming in this video is asking for help from every single person who cares for humanity around the world. For that reason, I translated for those who care for humanity. This heartbreaking footage has been taken recently on the 24th of January 2016 near Kurdish town Cizre in southeast Turkey. After the Turkish army bombed Kurdish civilians by jets and shot directly by tanks on the 24th and 25th, many Kurds were killed and injured in Cizre. But the Turkish army is not letting anyone to collect dead bodies or to treat injured civilians, which has been confirmed by Faysal Sariyildiz, member of the Turkish parliament. This woman's daughter is one of those who has been shot by a Turkish helicopter, and it has been 2 days that she and all others are left in the streets, and the army is not letting anyone to help them. And not letting anyone to get out from their homes. All injured civilians are screaming and asking for help. This woman is trying to pass from the Turkish army checkpoints to go help her injured daughter. And I will translate some of her important and emotional words which really affected me. She is begging to the army to go help her injured daughter, but as you see in the footage, the Turkish soldiers are ignoring her, and she's saying this to the soldiers. Look at my face. Don't ignore me. I am looking at your face. If you die in this war, your mum will cry, same as me right now. Please let me go help my daughter. She is injured and it has been 2 days that she's in the streets. She needs help. But after all this, as you see, the army and soldiers ignore her, and then she cries and says this. Hey Kurdish people. Hey human rights organization. Please hear my voice. I need your help because I need to help my daughter. Can anyone hear my voice? Is any human being left in this world? And then she cries and says, why can't anybody hear me? Why does nobody understand me as a human being? I am a mother and my daughter has been shot by the army, and the Turkish army is not letting her and not letting me to help her. And then she says, please, if there is any human being left in this world, I want you to hear my voice. Appeal for help on behalf of the member of the parliament who is stuck in the war zone with 25 injured people and dead bodies in the ground floor of a building in Cizre town, southeast Turkey. Here is his Twitter account in the video, and this is his message to the world. Dear human rights organization around the world, I am Faysal Sariyildiz. I am Kurdish from Cizre and a member of the Turkish parliament. I am sending this message to the world from Cizre. I am urgently appealing for help to save injured people right now here with me. Turkish tanks and jets yesterday shot civilians in Kurdish town Cizre. Dead bodies are still on the streets, and with me right now are 3 dead bodies and 25 injured people. 24 hours has passed and still the Turkish army is not letting these injured people to go to the clinic to get treatment. Blood is running from their bodies and we don't have any first aid. Even the people who want to give them water get shot by the army. If you do not act urgently, everyone in this building will die with me. This information is just in one street, but there are injured and dead bodies in other streets as well. Please act urgently to put pressure on Turkey until we can be able to send these wounded people to hospital. Regards, Faysal Sariyildiz, member of the Turkish parliament from Cizre.